Hey, hello everyone. So in this particular video, we're gonna cover how we can swap two numbers without using third variable. So let's get started. First, I will create a public void method and I will give name as a swap two numbers. We will need two arguments. First is int variable a and second is int variable b. So for these particular two variables, we will swap the values. What we'll do first, we will store a sum of a plus b into a. So here we are saving sum of a plus b into a. I will give a comment here. Save sum of a and b. Let's write in a small. So first we will save sum of a and b. Now what we'll do? Now our a is modified, but b is same as earlier. So for b, what we will do? We will extract the value of b from a. I will show you the in detail explanation as well. Let's suppose we are having a as a our a is 5 and our b is equal to 7. Okay, now what happened here? We added a. So a became 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So now in a we are having 12. Now what here we did? We removed b from a. So what this will do? Here we'll remove b. Our a is 12. We are removing b from it. B is 7. So what output we'll get? We'll get 5. So value of a will be stored in the b here. Now again what we will do? We again reduce or remove value of b from a one more time. What will happen here? Here we were having a as a 12. Now as per the previous condition we are having b as a 5, so that will get reduced, and here the value of b will be getting stored into the a. So now our sorting is done. Let's print the values. Here we'll print value of a, value of a is equal to plus a, and south will do same, value of b is equal to plus b. So let's see whether we are able to print the values correctly or not after swapping. For that I will just create one main method and I will make this particular swap to numbers method as a static so that we can use this inside our main method. Here I will declare two variables, int a is equal to 5 and int b is equal to 7. Now we will pass both the variables to our method swap to numbers. First we'll pass a and then we'll pass b. So now it should swap the values, and for b it should print 5 and for a it should print 7. So let's execute the program and see the output. Here you can see earlier we were having value 5 for a and 7 for b, but here after swapping it is printing 7 for a and 5 for b. So this is how we can swap two variables in Java without using the third variable. For more such informative videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.